What's for dinner? Whoa. Kicking chicken, tender pieces, broccoli with elephant garlic, and then we have some sauce. I just sprinkled the chicken with some love, also known as Rinaldi's roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. In case we didn't have enough garlic, we're trying this Francesco Rinaldi roasted garlic Alfredo pasta sauce. And I got some fresh, or semi-fresh, fresh like in terms of date, Parmesan cheese, which is in the fridge. And that's what we're having for dinner. And Daniel has his rice in the microwave. What do we have here? Coconut jasmine. Ben's original, aka Uncle Ben.